Alrighty, Duane, here's your 347 small block Ford. It's got done dyno and everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. It's got the Pro M manifold. Obviously it's CFI, multi-point. Terminator X system. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller, custom pistons, with the Moroso front sump oil pan. CVF front end kit. Make sure it charges for you real good. Take you in there, show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 35 is 389 foot-pounds of torque. It's like a Peaks torque 404. Peaks horsepower 419. We rated it at 425. It's got a front end on it. It's about 15, so it runs good. Get her off here, get her crate, come your way. Have a great day.